how to enable live captions in macOS. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your system settings, and then you need to go to accessibility on the left hand side, and then you'll need to scroll down, and then uh you can see captions under hearing. Tap on it. So here you can enable captions from here as well. And so you can see live captions. You can tap on this and toggle this on, and there your Mac will use on device intelligence to automatically display captions across all apps. Accuracy of live captions may vary and should not be relied upon in high risk or emergency situations. You can also change the live caption settings from down here. So there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.